Hi, to pair your Xiaomi Smart Band 8 Active with Android phone, as a first step, turn on your band. For that, it is enough to put it on a charge and it will automatically turn on. So now after that, you will need to select your language. I'm gonna choose English. And now you can see this QR code which we can scan with the help of our phone's camera. Or you can install manually this Mi Fitness application. So now let's just open it. And here, if you installed it for the first time, you need to agree with privacy policy, terms and conditions, and allow each of the permission. After that, on the bottom of the screen, you would see these tabs. You would need to switch to the device, and here select the option to add device. Now we are waiting till the band will appear in the list, and yes, here it is. So just tap it. And now you can see that it is connecting, pairing, and adding an account. So we are simply waiting a bit till it will connect to the phone. And now we receive this code. We need to confirm it on the band first and then tap this continue button on the phone. So here we need to allow the permissions, tap the continue button, and now we are waiting a couple of seconds. So here is your on-screen instructions, tap the next button and once more. And now you can set your notifications, incoming calls, do not disturb mode, and now we are waiting. And yes, here is your device connected to the phone. You can tap this synchronize button and you can see that sync data successfully. So now you can see the name of your device here, its battery percentage, and the status connected. And that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.